Now let's have a look at how effective the zoom and display options can be within accessibility. We access it in the same way, and then we want to scroll down the list to where we can see zoom to begin with. Now, using some key commands, I can toggle to zoom in and zoom out. I can also zoom into a specific area by using the plus button, and zoom out by using the minus button. If we have a look at displays, we can change the way that the screen looks for our own visual preferences. For example, I could choose grayscale. This will turn the screen grey or black and white. We also have options to increase the contrast. Failing that, you can even choose how far you want to go with the contrast by choosing to increase or decrease the contrast on this scale here. These are brilliant features that can help children with visual impairments see things on the screen that perhaps they couldn't before.